Ladies and gentlemen, I have painted my bike oh, you guys almost saw it. I have painted my bike one of the most renowned colors that everyone knows, one of the most expensive colors. And yeah, it's beautiful. But I'm gonna go to a car meet and you guys are gonna see that. A lot of crazy builds, but you're gonna have to wait to the end of the video to see the bike. So yeah, stick around. So I got recommended to come see this. This is all on a Crown Vic chassis with the 4.6 in it, same engine as my Mustang. Custom air ride system and everything. It's an old F100. This is what I like right here. It's just so original. They even have the Crown Vic dash in here. It's crazy. I know I'm a Ford guy, but these cars are one of the best, and I just love this color. Alright, the car meet was fun, a lot of crazy stuff. I still can't believe that guy put a F100 body on top of a Crown Vic frame, just pretty much redid the whole entire thing. Still had the 4.6 in it, but anyways, let's get to the bike. Alright, if you know the famous color Mr. Chrome, it's from the Ford Terminator Cobra, one of the most insane colors. It's not the exact same paint, but it resembles it because I'm not that rich. I just waste all my money. Anyways, it resembles it. It's kind of hard to see in person, but I mean, it has the purple, the blue, and also like a tiny bit of green in it. And it changes as you move around. Also when it's in the sun and into the garage, but look at these metal flakes. It just looks absolutely crazy. The one thing I need to change now is these grips. The contrast between it just does not fit very well, and they also get dirty a lot, but I feel like everything else on this bike is absolutely perfect. The white wall's it's so cool. You don't see that very often anymore. The exhaust strap, you can tell I'm very OCD with my wrapping. Needs to be the same space around the whole entire thing. Yeah, it's looking good. So it just shows that I'm not putting everything I own into that. I'm also doing stuff with the bike, and I really want to do stuff with the Mustang. I mean, I can do small stuff, but I mean, I'm waiting until I'm financially capable of, you know, doing something big on that, because I'm shooting for the stars, but I mean, it just looks so good. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, subscribe. We're gonna be taking that out on some cruises. It's getting hot out, you know, I can actually do it. Recently it's been raining a lot, so it's kind of been delayed, but yeah, crazy stuff with that, crazy stuff with the bike, crazy stuff with the Mustang. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.